Oh man. Yes sir. Good looking bass there. Not a bad start to the day. And we got the skunk out the boat. It's a big one. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright folks, look at the size of that bass right there. I mean, that sucker is just long and skinny. Huge post spawn bass right there. We'll get a weight on it and put it back, but that's definitely gonna, that fish is definitely gonna weigh light, and we'll get a measurement on it too. So, alright, that fish is about 22.5 inches. My cooler's 23.5. Alright, so we got a 4.65. That was easily a 5 or 6 pounder, easily. Probably a solid 2.5, close to that. And another solid bass out of that spot right there. That's probably, this one's pushing 3 easily. I mean, he's really long, but that belly is empty. Probably about 2.75. Folks, that sucker is fat. I mean, just fat. That's got to be every bit of a 3 as heavy as it is. Some boats around me, but that's a solid probably 2.5 or so. That is one chunky little bass right there. He's been eating good. Solid little bass. I got boats all around me, folks.
What's going on, sir?
What's happening?
Oh, it's just another great day. Better now.
Good. I'm just going to slowly pull this out.
Alright. been on the boat in a minute.
Yeah, I know, man. Did I give you enough time to get up there and get you some birthday cake?
Birthday? Yeah, I saw that. I was like, that's a lot of people. I was gonna pretend to be like a third cousin.
Yeah, there you go. All right, I might have to throw a worm. There you go. I might have to throw a worm.
You might have to do that.
Oh, that's a decent one. I thought it was small, like dink size.
Oh yeah. That's not a dink. This is a good school.
That's a good one. Just
look how he's caught. Like, I don't know if you can see inside his mouth. That looks like all up in there.
yeah. Nice. All right, you convinced me. I'll put on. I'll throw one too.
I mean, I don't want to take all the fish or nothing from you.
Yeah.
Not like last time. Last time you were catching them all. So.
Yeah.
But
dang it, dude. Can I get a fish?
My bad. My bad. This is just making up for last time.
You got to catch up for. Oh, that's right. That's right. Last time you were on the boat.
I didn't catch nothing. And you were sitting there catching them all around me.
I forgot about that, man.
Oh, yeah. I forgot what it's like to catch a decent sized fish all the time. Look at that guy.
Yep. All right, so we're out here with Micaiah. Last time we had Micaiah out here, he was struggling to boat a fish.
Like, you were catching them all around me, being the worst fishing guide ever.
So now we get Micaiah out here for the first time in a long time, and very first cast, he throws right into a fish's mouth. Doesn't even get time to reel up his slack before he's setting the hook.
I've had like what, 3 and 5 or 6.
Yeah, and he's caught basically like 3 fish in maybe 6 or 7 minutes, and I've caught nothing. So anyway, that's okay. That's what it's all about. We'll get Micaiah on some fish because he hasn't caught any Lake Talquin bass in a while, and we'll try to have some fun. We'll see what we can put together. If not. Huh?
Yeah.
That wasn't a mushy bottom though. Oh! I couldn't get the net. All right, where are you going, fish? Oh crap, he's gonna try to go underneath the boat. Gosh dang it. Hey, feisty. Ooh. Here. There we go. He wasn't as big as I thought he was, but
No.
that ain't a bad one, bro.
It's not bad. When he jumped, dude, I thought
He looked bigger.
He looked big.
He did look bigger.
You're welcome. I donated you one.
Hey, appreciate that. Appreciate that. And good net
That
job
is not,
too.
I mean, it's not a bad
That's a
fish.
solid bass right there. I'm gonna get a weight on it just to check it out. I bet that's pushing 3.
Easy.
You know.
I bet he goes like 3.2.
3.2. All right. I want to say maybe a hair under 3.
That's a good call.
2.93. What he settled out at. Okay, solid bass though. You've caught too many bass already, man. You got to slow down.
That's fair. I've got a, well,
Hey, now we've got a 5 bass limit.
I've got my own 5 bass limit.
That's true, you do.
Well, maybe is that one of them.
I don't think that one would
And we're
have.
just gonna call it a keeper, and we'll use After Effects, make it big.
We'll zoom in on it real hard. There you go. That's the one. I'm surprised you got that one.
Hey, this is gonna keep, so.
Okay.
So there's my 5 bass line. Maybe, actually, he might not keep. Yeah, he's good.
Yeah.
That's 5 fish. Yeah, I'm gonna need one in about an hour. I would think.
No, you haven't been here an hour?
I don't think so.
I don't think
222.
so.
No, I don't think I've been.
Here.
Come on, you gotta be generous.
So far, I'm working on a decent bag. I've got a 4.6. Some ones pushing 3s and 2s. I mean, I would have. Oh. I threw it right into his mouth.
How would you feel about a double up?
That'd be horrible. That would be horrible.
I got him for you.
Got it? Nice.
He may be deep, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Okay.
He may require surgery.
Well, just
What he's got going
all right.
on.
Make that the thumbnail right there. not for a thumbnail. All right.
Yeah, that's not
smell?
bad.
Oh,
That's not bad
okay.
at all. Look.
No, he's deformed. He's deformed.
Kid or something. It's weird. I can see that.
Yeah, I can clearly see it.
Crazy. All right, buddy.
You can't look, man. You can't catch a straight bass, is what it is. You can only catch them crooked bass.
I did.
I mean, at least we're gonna get one.
What?
That probably wasn't a fish, and if it was like really small. Yeah. A big one's not gonna machine gun it. Okay.
Because I just got hammered.
Oh yeah, bro.
This is a big fish.
I think mine's a big one. I'm not even joking. Oh!
Oh, this is a decent fish.
Mine
right here.
came off. Dude, mine was big. Oh shoot.
We would have just lost our one. Oh damn, and I'm
Gosh dang
fucking
it, man.
hurt nested the hell out of it. But alright, we'll figure it out.
I had a good one on.
Look at it.
Like a 4+.
We could have doubled up on that. Get back out there. See what happens.
Oh, that's what's definitely.
Dude, he was not even hooked, barely. Jeez. If we'd have sat there and played around.
There we go.
Hell yeah.
Feels like a decent one. That's because it is. No, it's not. It was turned sideways. It was turned sideways. I thought it was a big one.
At this point, I think.
Yeah. Hey, I called it. I called it.
Alright, I was wrong. Is that what you wanted to hear?
I'm going to edit out all your fish catches. And be like, yeah.
He got skunked again.
Look, man, look at that sucker though. He's just long and skinny. Got no tail. That's not where they're at.
Not where I just cast it? That's a bummer.
Oh,
Dude, that's a big fish.
Is it?
Yeah, that's a really big fish.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Okay. Just keep pressure.
Feels really big.
Yeah, just keep pressure.
He might not be that big, but he felt really big.
You know, he might be big. Just don't. Yeah, just make sure you keep a little bend in your rod.
Dude, this is actually a big fish.
Okay, well maybe give him a little more room then.
Still, it's really big. Dude, that thing was pulling huge.
Monster!
It was pulling huge.
Monster! Monster!
Listen, man, I'm telling you, that thing was pulse 7 pounds.
Hey, it's still a good one. I'll give it that. Look, it's a healthy bass, man. Look how fat that bass is.
Put a weight on him. I bet he goes for 11.
11 pounds?
About 11.
Yeah.
Felt like a big bass. I was getting excited there for a minute.
Man, you had me excited.
Damn.
Here we go. It's a good one. I mean, it's nothing to be ashamed of.
Yeah, but I mean, he's not as big as he felt.
Yeah.
Hey, you're a strong little sucker. All right, back you go. Huge. Wish you could have felt him.
I did feel him. He felt like he was about 2 1/4 pounds.
Damn. But you know what's better than
That was one healthy looking bass though.
It was. But I got him in the boat. And that's what matters.
You did get him in the boat. Good job.
Man, I appreciate it.
I jumped out of the water. I did a slow-mo. I was like, I was just going to say it was on this spot. But it doesn't matter.
I'm trying to think of a slow-mo of a shad.
Yeah, I was just sitting there fishing. It's a monster!
Oh my god.
Get the net!
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. You'll probably never let me live that one down.
My God. Get it in.
Do you actually
Bro.
want the net?
No.
Oh. You know what? I'm going to jump off the boat. It actually might feel fantastic right now.
Oh, man.
Come on now. That fish was muscular as hell.
It was. It was definitely bigger
It was
than
like
this
a race fish.
It was bigger. It was a fish that had been powerlifting. How about that?
Like easy cleaning 500 on deadlift.
Yeah. It was definitely nicer than that fish. The bass interrupted our conversation.
Disrespectful.
Needs to be taught some manners. Alright. Man, I can't help it if you're getting your kicked by a 2-pounder.
Right, that was the best pulling 2-pounder I've ever had. This 7-pounder I caught didn't pull like that.
Yeah. Oh, this one? No.
Oh, now you're just not going to say anything, even if it was a monster. Just in case it's not.
He keeps giving, and then he's. Good one though. It's not bad.
Alright.
He looks healthy. That's the most important thing, that we catch healthy bass. It doesn't matter how big they are.
Catches like
we're going
like a 6-incher, but he's fat. He's healthy.
Yeah.
That's a healthy bass. I'll take that all day.
We're only going for healthy bass out here. As long as it... No, that one ain't bad at all, man.
You got like my power lifting.
That's not bad.
Hey, he's pretty healthy, you know?
He is healthy.
And that's what we're going for, healthy.
That's it. We're only going for healthy bass now. Forget size. Man, it's so nice out here, dude. It's nice and cool right now. Got that little bit of breeze. 10-pounder on them line. Sniffing on that worm. All right. Oh. If you think you need to net, just I won't make fun of you.
No, I'm not gonna say a damn thing. This thing's gonna be 18 freaking pounds, and I'm not gonna say I'm worried about a net. He's swimming out though. He ain't.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Do you want the net though? Like, not because you think he's an 18-pounder, but just, you know, so we can safely land him.
He's been working out a little bit too.
He has.
I'm trying not to pop you in the face.
Yeah.
That's not a bad fish.
No,
though.
heck no, man. That's a good one.
Alright. Come on, dog.
That one's better than the one that you thought was huge.
Yeah, for sure. Actually, that's not bad at all.
Most importantly, he's healthy.
Oh, for sure. Healthy bass. Healthy bass. All right, healthy bass.
No,
swim.
That's a probably solid, like
Be free.
2.5. He definitely had us hung up there.
I was like, something's swimming right at me.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was your bass.
Something was swimming right. Look at that though, man. Look at that. Gosh, dang, that sucker's fat.
That's a healthy bass, as we like to say.
It's a healthy one. That's the most important
I'll take
thing.
healthy bass all day long.
Huh?
Said I got onto like at least like 14 of them probably.
Man, that ain't bad for half a day of fishing.
Half a day.
Yeah.
Almost stuff.
Okay, cool.
Thank you, sir.
All right, man.
We'll do it again for
Yeah,
sure.
we'll definitely do it again.
Look forward to seeing the video at some point.
Yeah. It's going to take me forever to edit through all that.
All right, sir. Have a good one.
All right, you too. Be safe.
Yes, sir.
All right, friends, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up right there. Solid day of fishing. You know, at first, for me, it seemed a little slow because I guess I was used to, you know, the outstanding days that I had last weekend where, you know, one day I came out here and I caught 24 pounds, and, you know, the next day I came out here with my friend Dak and we caught over 43 fish. I definitely caught lots of fish today. I'm probably not going to put them all on camera just because, gosh, it would make this video way too long. So I'll probably put some of our better catches on there and probably just some funny stuff that happened between, you know, when Micaiah and I were fishing. Funny stuff always tends to happen when you're out on the lake fishing with somebody. But anyway, solid day on the lake, no complaints here. Definitely set the hook into a lot of fish. It would have been nice to land that 4 or 5 pounder, whatever it was that came off, but hey, you can't win them all. Spent the entire day out on the ledges fishing deep. Looks like the shad's moving out here, so that's good. That'll probably bring more bass out here to the ledges, so probably where I'm going to spend the majority of my summer, because I'll tell you, this ledge bite out here is just addicting. It's a different kind of bite, and you know, you come out here and on a bad day, I'm talking like on a bad day, you'll come out here and you'll still catch 10 or 12 fish, and that's considered a bad day on the ledges. Most places that I fish, that's a good day. Anyway, just wanted to, you know, fill you guys in on that a little bit. I caught the majority of my fish just dragging a worm on the bottom, and that seemed to be what the fish wanted. That's it, but hey, I appreciate all you guys for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button And if you'd like to follow my fishing adventures, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care. Be safe.